That was disgusting, mate. Found these glasses today. I don't want any questions on why I purchased these. I purchased these in Thailand, if you was asking. So I was probably high. And to be fair, from the front end, bro, oh my days, bro. Do you know what I actually look like? And I might even unlock a few memories here for you, man. Hold on. Hold on. Bro. No, I actually mad do, bro. Oh, wait, no, where's the photo gone? Oh, here we go. Oh, no, that ain't even it. Bro, if any of you man watch this film, I mean, you gotta be around my age, I'll be honest. You gotta be like 23 and you probably know this film. Bro, no, I don't wanna. It's exactly what I look like. That's not what I wanted. Oh, that's not the right fucking image. Hold on. Wait, why do I remember his glasses being different though? Bro, why the fuck do I remember them being bare different? No, that'll do. Yo, that actually looks like me, no cap. Shark Boy, bro. Who remembers that fucking film, though? Who actually seriously remembers that? Like, seriously. Shark Boy and Lava Girl. Bro. On my mother's life, that was on bro, I had that on DVD, and that was one of those films, man, that, as a youth, I just watched it every night for probably about 4 years, if I can remember rightly. I'll probably recite it. Man, is that even bro, can you even watch that shit anymore? Is that just like a disc film? Bro. If that comes out on Netflix, I would not stop watching it. Is anyone old enough for that? What we saying now, boys? What's good, man? Jesse, man, what's good? Shane, Fletch, Lord, Jad, what we saying? Harvey, Jesse. I think I already said your name, Jesse. Full Port Friday. Boys, what? Are we full porting? Are we full porting? We've actually had some heavy news come out already. Let's get the tunes on though, lad. Mason Bro, I finally got an entry and fucking won. Let's go. Wait, Mason Bro, I finally got an entry and fucking won. Let's go. Hey, man, what trade did you get, bro? What trade you getting on? Oh, you know what's actually a shout, bro? You know, I've not listened to in a minute. Biggie, Tupac, live freestyle. Oh. Yeah, Brooklyn. Yeah. Like 11, about 8. Where is my... Oh, right, okay. I've actually got to move my screens about actually. Oh yeah, my Miss Christmas. I make number runs. P-E-C-K. Rose remarkable. He's still Mateo. There you go. Rubbish shit like a smacking babies at the christening. Motherfucking biggest small. But yeah, we had that speech from William today. Let me get my notes up because I just had notes on it actually. Here we go again. UK retail sales come out a lot weaker as well. That's actually quite bad for us. Where are yields at? Okay, yields are actually still staying higher. But obviously mainly moving off the back of what we had yesterday. The reason why we had yields pushed down is because we had inflation pushed down, which obviously does increase our bets for the cut of interest rates come 2026. So again, we're still sort of looking at the tightening of the dollar going into 2026. We're still looking for that. Let's see if we see price continue down. That's pretty much where we're at right now. Should we full port this session? We're actually so close to this daily, so it's got me feeling like we could come up to it, man. We're so close. And this is kind of what he's looking at the start of this week. Remember Spy Kids, bro? That was sick as shit as well, man. That's lit. Push the feeling on. Oh, what a little banger, you know. Flex, what's good, cousin? GU Cells, I think, is such a good shout, to be honest. I think GU shouts are... Oh, we actually come right back up to Asia highs again. We actually come right back up to Asia's high. I mean, again, I feel like the cells are good, right? Two reasons. One, I mean, I'm still confused how we're... okay, now, one main point is obviously UK retail sales. Retail sales come out... Wow, really, bro? Retail sales come out way weaker. Way weaker. Bro, what happened to my speech, bro? I lost all capabilities of speaking. My man's just in his room twerking, bro. Just getting down to this little banger. But today's been a unfortunate day for price action, realistically. It's just not been great at all. EG bullish makes sense. Weaker pound off the back of that. Weaker retail sales over here in the UK. Much more stronger in the EU. That's why I did like the look of EU buyers. But obviously price just left without us. I don't know if we're going to come all the way back down to like our range low. There's that low-key of penises. That's a good representation of how the charts are going right now, man. Holy shit! I still think gold can hit all-time high, but I don't know if we're going to do this before Christmas or not. I mean, again, for us to really start testing those highs again, we're going to have to start breaking some range up to this left side. We're still in the bottom Friday 50. Friday range, I mean. But yeah, bro, we should really just see this continuation on price to the upside now. But realistically, what we got this afternoon was we got William's speech, and William said no urgent need to cut again. But apparently we also had Waller speak. I think, what did he say? What did he say? Gold's flying, to be fair. What's our 15 minutes, Sam? We've got a fair value down here. Of course we fucking ain't. Fuck me. I actually like the look of gold. For New York session, gold could be the one, bro. Gold on a Friday, though. I think that's what might got to be one of the most silliest things to do. But we're gonna go for it. I want to have a little deeper look into this Fed. What the fuck I was getting a receipt from? Bro, I'm still paying, yeah, for... I don't know what this is, but this is in Thai baht. Oh, this is for X. Bro, I think we're paying for like a few things still in Thai baht. Bro, we're actually still helping the Thai. We're still helping the Thai economy, really, every single day. Is this Reebok or is this Nike? Is it Reebok or is this Nike? Goal could be perfect though for this continuation of this pull up. What the fuck is she saying? What the fuck did she just say, bro? What the fuck? Mate, I just completely lost my Bloomberg. Where the heck? Where the heck did that go? Bro, that's so ironic. Bro, I just said, is this Reebok or is this Nike? And then, bro, the next thing that comes up on my screen is that Nike are down fucking 9% today, bro. Bro, that wigged me the fuck out for a second, I'm not even gonna lie. Is this a Reebok or... Bro, I just said that and then, bro, the Nike stocks just started crashing, man. Bro, how many men are watching this stream right now, bro? What the hell? Bro, that wigged me out for a sec, man. I thought someone was talking to me in the live, innit? I was thinking, bro, am I going insane or something? That would be the reason I stopped smoking candy. Is this Reebok or is this Nike? Do you reckon Reebok ever stop? Reebok. Is it Reebok or Reebok? Reebok. No, it's Reebok. Reebok. Is it Reebok? What the fuck is it? Is it Reebok? Reebok. Bro, that sounds like a very weird name now. I said it too many times. Reebok. Reeboks? Reebok. No, it's Reebok. Bro, a fucking weird name. I said it far too many times. There is no stock for Reebok. They're not even public. Is this Reebok or is this Nike? Oh, this looks tradable in a day-to-day perspective. Holy literal shit. We've still actually been able to get our full... Surely there's a tradable Nike chart, bro. Surely. Wait, sorry. Did they just go public? No, they went public in 1980s. Why do I have data for about 5 days, bro? Did they just get listed on New York Stock Exchange? Surely not. Okay, bro. What the fuck? That's what I was on. Was it not? Bro, I was gonna say. But anyways, fuck Nike. I mean, they're getting absolutely chopped by the looks of things. I see the idea for GU to the downside because the pound definitely has that downside potential due to the retail sales, the cut. The thing is that is a bit iffy for me for pound is obviously the next meeting, so that's why we was kind of, I'm assuming, looking at more retail sales, labour, inflation and stuff like that to really dictate next moves because obviously we was 5-4 on votes, so I could still see why we would be chilling with pound at the moment, still have that strength, but I definitely still see the downside potential for it. Reebok better, trust me. I might get myself a pair of Reeboks. Bro, they actually do a nice pair of Reeboks. Do you reckon anyone ever said, oh yeah, I'm just going to go buy a pair of Reebok? Do you reckon like anyone ever? And to be fair, I reckon. Oh my days, bro. Alright, bro. You just know. Alright, man, bro. You just know youths in school that had crip like this, bro. You just know they'll be smoking fags at the age of like 12, man. Bro, I used to know a few youths who used to wear them. Bro, I had a few youths that always used to wear these, bro. Man, you know they come from like a really, really bad upbringing if they be bopping around in airwalks, bro. I just know if you be wearing airwalks as a youth, man, bruh. Man, you was probably eating Lunchables every single lunch. Like, in school or outside of school. Or like snack attacks. You know, the wraps with cheese and for some reason ketchup. That's the kind of you I see. These are actually Velcro, man. These are even worse. When I said Airwalk Velcro, £22. £22. You can't even make that shit for £22. Should we just buy a pair? I kind of feel like buying a pair just for the sake of it. Oh, they're kids. Wait, bro, I might buy a pair of fucking Airwalks. But if you ever had like Reeboks or the Airwalks as a you, man, you just know you had. You should get into trading, that's what I'm going to say. Break the cycle. Make some money in your family. Jesus Christ. Buy a pair for the content for the stream. Bro, a pair of Airwalk Velcros, bro. £9. £9, mate. Sorry, you can't get that shipped over here for that price, let alone made. £9? I know they're kids and shit, but fuck. I mean, this is what I mean. This is exactly what I mean. Like, if you used to own a pair of these. For some reason as well, they'll always be battered. It's like they've had them for like 3 years. Mate, is your mum actually not even willing enough to buy you another £9 pair of crep for Christmas or something? Man, why am I looking at these and thinking like I would actually wear these with a pair of baggy jeans? Do they do adult versions? Adults Airwalk. No, they actually don't even do an adult pair, bruv. Why would they just make children footwear, bruv? Considering it's like a skate thing. £9, I can't believe that. They've actually been going as well. They've actually been selling. These Airwalk Neptune shoes are perfect for any fashion-conscious boy. Mate, they should get fucking done for that. That is rotten. No, it's a blatant lie, isn't it? Mate, that honestly should... Mate, FCA would not regulate that at all. That statement there is insane. In fact, I'm fucking... Man, we got to do something about that. They actually sell this shit other places as well. Oh no, they don't. Remember those Adidas shoes that you could put the colours of the logo on yourself? No? What? Adidas custom shoes 2007. No, I didn't know you could do that, bro. Wait, what? Wait, what crap? Oh, bro, I want to find that now, because I don't know if I know what you mean. I mean, bro, MH, I was a 2002 youth, man. So I was still probably banging, like, fucking Birkenstocks and fucking kickers at the age of, like, 4. I didn't get into Adidas and all them ones. I prefer walking barefoot. Fucking hell, where are you from? Do you still live in Turkey, man? What the fuck? I've never seen £9 shoes in it, man. That's fucking that is insane. I mean, it gets to the point now where you can't think. I don't know what to say. I can't even say anything else. £9 for a pair of crep. You're telling me some fucking kids made that in a horrible place for nothing, and you're selling it for £9. Absolute false advertising. What do you mean, any fashion-conscious boy? Mate, imagine someone's mum reading that thinking, oh, my boy's going to be fashion now, and she gets fucking bullied at school. To be fair, I feel like the boys who had the airwalk crep were the ones doing the bullying, to be fair. They were the bullies. If you had them, you were a bully. No cap. What's your bias looking like? I mean, right now, I would kind of expect for the dollar to regain strength. The speech we had from William in New York session was pretty. Well, he said he doesn't think we need to urgently cut rates, which is sort of. I know we've had a nice bearish move here, and we've had pretty much distributed it to the Asia's low near enough. But for me, that still has that upside potential. So that's why I feel like it's difficult to really have a say so on. But gold is what you want. We actually still need to wait for a 15-minute. Fuck me. What do I have to do for a 15-minute fair value gap around here, bro? Holy shit. Like, bro, wait, if you like the only 15-minute fair value gaps we've actually had today on gold is that. I mean, that I wouldn't even really count. Especially because we're taking like prior day lows and shit. When we're taking, okay, we missed it by a pube. I think it was was it EU? No, it wasn't EU. What was it that took prior day low? No, was it EG? No, did nothing take prior day low? Am I just tripping balls? Oh no, it was EU. But that's why I really like EU now, because now we've actually had that distro. But then obviously what William said today was that he's not looking to cut interest rates, but first of all, who the fuck are you as well? Nah, but I don't know, mate. I don't know. Right now, I mean, it's mainly what the market thinks, right? I mean, I think we're going to continue interest rates. But, I mean, how many other people in this market are betting on that? I would say, I would like to think a lot. But obviously what William said there is obviously just made it a little bit more harder. That's a very good question. Give me a song, Jess. Give me a song, bro. Appreciate Mace's bias in comparison to Apex's today. Yeah, I mean, both. I mean, I guess we was both kind of right, because we did continue down and we broke the low, but then obviously we had the real distro here. So the real move was to the upside. We know the real market bias right now is bullish EU. I've said this every day. I'll keep saying it until my balls dry up. That's what happens to them. I don't know what happens to your tests when you get old. But I'll keep saying that until further notice, innit? I mean, I'm still in that same sort of with that same bias right now. Mainly fundamental bias. So obviously from a week to week perspective, you might not always see EU come down, but as a fundamental bias for Fed path and for the ECB path, it's bullish. It's bullish euro. I mean, any institution will tell you that. But that is why I'm continuously looking at these EU buyers. They're the best positions and the most safest positions you really want to be in. Wait, where Brooklyn at? But I mean, it's how about let's appreciate Lou and Mace together for their hard work. I was fucking gonna say something. Bit of nines, 999. Nines, you know, Nina with a Nino. Yeah, nines, 999. Is that a tune, bro? 999. I don't think I've heard this shit. Oh no, you just said nines. Alright. Nina with the neens. What do you reckon then? Wait, is nines 999 actually a tune, or is it? No, it ain't. Bro, it's come up with oh mate, what is this come up? Nines. What's a good little banger? What's a banger from him? Nina. This is a banger. Money in a thing. I can't remember how it goes with it. Money in a thing. Oh, the fire in the boot's hard actually. You know what? That piece fire in the boot is so hard. I've not heard that in so long, bro. Probably so real. There we go. Oh my days, bro. Looks 12 years ago, man. 12 years ago. How fucking old was that? I was like 11, bro. Nine's Piff. Piff. Is that really a tune, man? Piff. He's coming down heavy though, bro. He's coming down heavy. I mean, really, this is invalid because we already hit TP, but I guess we'll keep it on for the sake of the live. But I think gold is sort of. I think gold is just so nice right now. We just want to see this 15-minute close. That's why I never air calls when she hollers my line. My East things fly in a poster campaign. So Rocco the same colour as cold as champagne. Like this beat as well, bro. This is you don't really hear these beats anymore. You like trap melody, like melody beats. My brum ting saying she might as well had cheated like Keisha Cole. My West ting be selling like a chemist. Right, let's see if we actually get this rebalance. Because, I mean, I feel that's why I wouldn't jump in positions right now. Because we're kind of confused if we're going to continue up or continue down for the dollar. I wouldn't put bets on either side right now. Just because of what William said about a couple of, hour and a half ago. View on GU should really continue down, to be honest. What William said today sort of holds a little bit of strength for the dollar. And we had that weak UK retail sales that come out yesterday. We had the cut this week. The only thing that's really keeping somewhat strength in the pound is the fact that we might not cut next year. So, but then again, we got bad retail sales, so I'm quite weak pound. These positions were really nice if you was able to get in these, like sort of in between London and New York session. Some shorts and GU there. Where's my UJ there? Now I got my new chick mad at me. I told her I need space like the galaxy. Did you tell her about Stu's war crime? Yeah, I told her, yeah. Awful from Stu there, man. So why did he even say that as well? It just come out of nowhere. Mate, I was kind of just talking and he just sort of come out of it. What even happened? No, don't continue up too much, broski. Don't leave without us, man. We still got to see this. Fuck the play, actually. Such a horrible stop loss. Holy shit. No, bro. Mate, this is such a throwback, bro. Nah, yeah, it was bad. He was a snake. Even looked the other way when I heard he was a snitch. But he crossed the line, swearing over a bitch. Swear down, I don't know how these guys sleep at night. T told me don't trust him, but I never see the light. Probably cause I loved him like a little cousin. When them guys violated you, I emptied out. Don't say the hood of someone else, where you're from. No one cares you're gone to yourself. You're a dumb guy like you don't know. Me and Jazz let them fly in our car. Look into your sister and your mom's eye. Tell your dad to stop acting like your son died. The streets thought you was a top shot. But you ain't nothing but a liar and a cop blocker. This guy's breaking my heart. We used to play in the park. Went to wait on dark. Been a snake from the start. Can't believe. Well, I still love this tune as well. I think this is so hard. I still think this is so cold.
Yeah. Brother, this is... I ain't done this in so long, but I'm feeling rusty as ever. Yeah, P is
So essentially, the reason why after that speech, yeah, we should really continue the week. We could continue this week, dollar. The markets didn't read Williams is hawkish enough to overturn the broader cuts coming narrative, so we should really continue the week at dollar regardless of what Williams just said. So we should start seeing this come down at some point. So let's just see where we have this reaction, man. It's my standard feed. For the pointy shoes, I'm Congolese. I give a wood straight off the board. She told me it tastes like cassava leaves. My boy can't be an absent dad. What type of a man or father leaves? That bro, no, we don't play that shit. Like, why would you say that shit? Comparing me to a dad, no, I gotta get up and leave. That one can't be deep and hurt my heart in a way that you wouldn't believe. Go on, we're coming back down. Yeah. Why am I lagging? You get blow me off. Why am I getting this often, bro? Often. No, I don't think we managed to. I don't think we clipped it. This is such a tune. Bro, that little what even is that, bro? What the fuck is that, a banjo or some shit? Whatever that is, man. It's hard. Banjo. Why do they call it a banjo string? Is that like an actual science? Is that like a medical term? Not medical. Science. Is that like a biology term? Who makes up this shit as well, man? Bro, you can't even tell me sleeping shift and aren't actually like so hard, man. Yeah, G still continuing down. Really weak pound. Really weak pound, isn't it? But I ain't the same, I'm a different man. So the cops don't say a thing. See it out, we gon' let it bang. Yeah, I had to run up a bag. I couldn't go to no class, was stuck on that back block with a mag. 10 toes for the cash, I won't be a trash. Right, let's just see how Diggs what reacts now. Just want us doing bad, but we never fought, we were at the past. Stepping foot up on the gas, I move first. Yes, do it. Eyes bleed when I get in my feelings. I done been through some pain, no healing. He don't want beef, heard I be drilling. Ain't nobody in school, the internet got all the little niggas robbing and killing. All the shorties is losing their feelings. You ain't safe, so she turned to a villain. I can't even feel me no more. I was down on my life, so don't need a cash till I got a big rope. I have a nightmare. Fred's been back to school for the first time after suspension as a punch over a student and a teacher. Fucking hell, man. Mate, he's a pain in the fucking arse, man. Yeah, I had to run up a bag. I couldn't go to no class, was stuck on that back block with a mag. 10 toes for the cash, I won't be a trash spot with a mask. You just wanna do it bad, but we never fought, we were at the past. Step your foot up on the gas, I move first, that's you get done like the last. Step your foot up on the gas, I move first, you get done like the last. No, I bet he's a nightmare, bro. Sounds like an absolute nightmare. Last thing you need, it's last thing anyone needs, man. Especially someone like you, Stu, like owns a calf, trades. Oh, bro, the last thing you need is your kid being all time because he's being an idiot, not even for a good enough reason. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, that is a fucking ball ache. You're gonna have to send him to board school in a minute. Board school, whatever it's called. My nan always told me, mate. My nan used to always threaten me with that. Remember one time I got suspended and mate, my mum does this thing. She lies, innit? My mum lies, bro. No cap, my mum lies. Like I've clocked, my mum just lies like 90% of the time. But I know it now, man. When I was a kid, my mum used to always like scare me into thinking like, Mace, like I'm actually gonna kick. You're gonna end up going balls to. There's actually one point, like I think I got suspended for something, and I honestly thought on God, I was getting sent away to like a school somewhere like north in the country. I wasn't gonna be able to see my mum and that. Like, bro, I was adamant I was going this place. My mum was adamant I was going there. My nan was adamant I was going there. Didn't end up going there, but bro, after that I actually fixed up because I shit myself. And I bare thought I was going there. Like, I woke up on Monday thinking I was going. Like, my mum like made a big thing about it. And then she was like, well, obviously after she was like, you better pattern the fuck up, boy. But that's exactly what made me pattern up, man. My mum scared the fuck out of me, man. Scared me straight. Just by lying. My mum's a good liar, man. Fucking women. Women, bro. They just sleep on that shit. Look for gold, start moving up now. This is if, obviously, if the dollar starts to weaken around this area. I feel like gold might push anyway, to be fair. We'll grow out of it. Bro, people don't actually grow out of that shit though, man. I feel like people don't grow out of that. I thought 14 years of age is grown, man. Really? You can't start clocking when you leave school and shit. It's fucking too late. Well, it ain't. It's a lie, it's not. I mean, what is this tune? This beat sounds insane, but I'm not going to listen to that. It's always go hard. Any of them, that's it, bro. It's the last thing you need. But what do you do, though, man? What can you even do? Like, as soon as your kid's out your sight and goes to school and starts acting up. Mate, you'd be like, what the fuck do I do? You should get a super nanny in, man. Wait, Stu, you should fucking get super nanny in, man. Do they still do that? Remember that? Do you remember that woman? Hey, yeah, this bitch. Oh, no, there's one. What? I'm not allowed to paste. What? Sorry, am I forbidden for doing that anymore? This bitch. Not a marijuana smoke. Don't smoke. She was quite sick at what she did, to be fair. I used to watch that as a kid, for some reason. I just realised that. It's a weird thing to watch as a kid. I just want the paper. I'm not gonna lie. Like, thank God Biggie actually just told everyone straight. Like, thank God, like, he had to make sure everyone knew. Mate, what a weird bar to go with. Let's play that again. I hope you'll get it. Don't let it go over your head. Thanks for clarifying that, Big. Fucking hell. Existing home sales rose slightly in November in the US. But it's kind of expected to come up considering last year was so fucking low. Or last month or last year. Did you say last year or last month? Yeah, versus last November. So Made 30% full point at 5k today. Fucking hell. Well, I'm assuming that was a funded. What did you full pull, Jess? Was even getting hot. Hold on. And it's the motherfucking thanks I get. What? What's side What does she do now? What does she do now, actually? Yeah, true. Wait, she's pretty bare old now, actually, isn't it? What's her name? Joe Frost. That was it. Joe Frost. Why do I sound like I know someone called... She dead now. Oh, 55. Hey, respectfully though, how is a fat bitch trying to discipline someone? To me, that doesn't make sense. Super Nanny, though. I used to love watching that shit low-key as a kid. For some reason, she used to always go over to the US though, bro. Are you telling me it's not enough naughty kids in the UK? We've got fucking Fred Hepton here, bro. Bro, let's bring Super Nanny out of retirement just for Stu. She's super granny now. Yeah. Bro, why do I low-key feel like that's kind of a thing? Just gov name him. Stu. Where is it where your name on something is just Stuart Hepton, and we already know your kid's name's Fred, considering you put his name. So I'm just putting puzzles together here. I'm not baiting anything. Or is it not? Anyway, if anyone looks into a kid, I mean, you're fucking weird. That's what I'm gonna say. Come on, Gold. Let's fucking move now, you bastard. We still haven't seen a reaction off the DXY though, to be fair. If we see the reaction down, it's really going to boost Gold. I feel like Gold's going up anyway. That's a really favour the move. We want that $1 a week. Come on, Donalo. Play with us, boy. Play with us. An instant top one. Oh, yeah, bro. Who's that with? Who's that with? Just. You bitches hyperventilating. Come on. I don't think we've got anything else for today, do we? No. I think we got a Trump speech later on. That's like late though. Like for us, it's on Saturday. That's how late it is. Top one. Is that a prop firm? Top one. Fucking lazy ass name, innit? Yeah, top one. Wait, did I just not even think for a name? Fuck me. The registered office is in Hamchako, Mutsamudu, the Antominous Island of Anjun, Union of Comoros. Where in the fuck have you found this prop firm, bro? Bro, their office is in... Mate. Their registered office is in Hamchako, Mutsamudu, the Autonomous Island of Anjouan, Union of Comoros. Where the fuck is that in the world, bro? Bro, where is that? Let's have a look what it is. Seems legit. Bro, where the hell is that? I want to see what it is in Google Maps. This gangster shit. And it's the motherfucking gangster I'm getting. Let's start with this gangster shit. Let's start with this gangster shit. Where is it? Oh my god, bro. Bruv. Bro! Wait, do you wanna know where this fucking is, bro? Bro, do you wanna know where this place is? Really? Right, this is the world. This is the world, okay? This is the world. So first of all, it's down there, bro. You know what I mean? First of all, it's down. You know, let's full screen this shit. Let's full screen this. So, not only are we not in Europe, bear in mind, an institution, a financial institution, prop firm, still a financial institution, should really be based somewhere in Europe or at least in a first world country. No, they're not only offshore of Tanzania, they're in between Madagascar, which I only found out yesterday actually is a populated area. I mean, I've got film evidence of that just being a jungle. Somehow it's not. It's in the middle of the... What even sea is this? Is this the Pacific, bro. Okay, the Pacific, and no it's not, it's the Indian Ocean. This is it, by the way, this is where... Jesse, this is where your prop firm is based. Can we get a street view of this shit? No. No, you actually can't get a street view. No one's ever been there. Oh shit! Oh, we got a street view. Is he trading? He's probably trading. I can't actually move. Fucking hell, so someone on Google Earth just came to this location. This is where your prop firm's based. Seems like a really nice communal area. Can we go anywhere else in this island? Mate, can you just put me on a normal screen? Oh, we can go here, Hey, yo, bro, this is a really not the nicest place I've seen. Can I get rid of that? Fucking hell. Mate, I'll be honest, this is probably the scariest place I've ever seen, man. Wait, can we go anywhere else? Where else can we go? No, I don't think we can. Wait, can I place myself, bro? How do you even use Google Earth, man? What the fuck? Oh, there we go. Bro, what the fuck? I'm checking they're actually Adidas and not Abibas. How do I actually use this, bro? Mate, that looks like Dead Island. Has anyone ever played Dead Island? This is like exactly what it looks like, innit? Like, this is exactly what Dead Island looks like. Yeah, I'll buy a Juka here, though, man. I'm like, yeah. Long story short, this is where Jesse's prop firm's based. I mean, they've still got tin roofs and shit. Do they even have Wi-Fi in that? Look, it's West Ham Stadium! Bro, that is the exact layout of the West Ham Stadium, bro. Mate, that stadium is better than West Ham Stadium. Fucking hell. I would actually say there would actually be better scenes here, much better scenes here, in fucking London Stadium, man. Sorry, whose guttering system is like that, mate? I mean, surely you get the basic concept of how gutters work. Well, anyway, long story short, that's where Jesse's prop firm is. There we go, dollar. Playing ball. We playing ball, boys. We playing ball. Goals moving nice again. We should really be seeking a weakening of the dollar. Kind of only makes sense with the PA we got. With the news we've sort of received today and yesterday. No, I'm joking, Jesse. If you're literally just 4 point accounts, bro, it don't matter what prop firm you buy it from. This song is perfect for the phones. Wow. To give you what you need. I wonder why they call you bitch. I wonder why they call you bitch. I'm on gold. Yes, that CPI coming out does obviously benefit a weaker dollar. Oh, G's actually not really continued down yet, to be fair. You wonder why they call you bitch. Shoreline Mafia, man, these numbers are so hard. How long ago was this? 7 years ago. I can never be a hater. Come on, goal. Continue that push for me. Continue that, bro. Mate, I feel like I've been just in the maternity ward all the time when it comes to fucking trades recently, man. But I feel like I could be a midwife. The amount of times I say keep pushing. On my mother's life, bro, I could be a bare good midwife. Fucking hell. GJ looking to come down. I would say GJ's still looking to come down. I'm weaker pound. And obviously, if we are seeing a weakening of the dollar, we should see a bit more of a strengthening of the yen. What do you mean? That's amazing. I can never be a hater. Hit with a laser. Boy, it ain't no major. What happens to these, man, bro? Come on, go push for me, bro. That's what I mean, man. I definitely could be a midwife. Actually, you know what? Joe's even harder. Oh! How many views is this on, bro? Nearly 400 million. You're... From the other day, Horny Bar was just, yeah, I banged on next, Broski. This one has to be played. I just thought it'd be quick, man. Hey. Come on, Dollar, let's see that move down, bit. Y'all some bro. You gon' get fucked over. What other pairs we looking at now, boys? took the last previous candles lows as well. Sweep of all this liquidity around the DTO. Fucking perfect, not gonna lie. Gold movement this New York session was so nice. I can fuck your mom. Bitches not so all in the know. Yeah, stack. Partially, bro. I mean, I'll tell you about the yen right now, right? Let me just pause that for a sec. So, where we're at with the yen, okay? So, the yen for multiple years, right, has had very low interest rates, and they've really small currency, to the point where they've actually been saved a few times to not be so weak. I mean, if it's actually said if USD JPY trades above 160, this is actually the danger zone for the yen. It shows that the yen is fucking super weak. But right now, what we've seen throughout this whole year is we've been seeing interest rate hikes from the BOJ, which has caused the yen to actually have a bit more strength and stability. And they are still looking at the next meeting to hike interest rates by 0.25%, which then would put their interest rates, if I'm not wrong, to 0.75 or 1%, either one. Let me double check that, because I might be fucking lying to you, man. Bitches love so oh no 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 if I can miss some should I get back all the brownies and brownies. What's the interest rates? Someone help me out here. What's the interest rates for the BOJ? It's 0.75, so it'll be 1%. So the interest rates will be hiked to 1%. Which again stables the yen. But also you got to think, right, is risk on, risk off assets. In terms of risk off assets, or risk off currencies, I'll say, there is three main currencies. That is the dollar, the Swiss franc, and the yen. And normally we see markets favour, if it favours, well, if it's favouring the dollar, we risk on, but as well we're not uncertain for the dollar. But if we risk on, and we see the dollar fall, we normally see these two currencies rise, because these are the safe havens that are currently more safe, right? Because again, just because we risk off doesn't mean we're going to trade into the dollar, because the trader could be very uncertain. The dollar could be very uncertain itself. And the reason why we've actually had that is because I just put risk currencies. I just realised it's meant to be safe haven currencies. But obviously we've had a lot of questions around the dollar and around data, because we've been getting a lot of not false data, but not concurrent, I think the right word is to say, for the data that's been coming out, because obviously we had the US government shutdown, which fucked a lot of data for inflation, for labour, for fucking growth, for a lot of stuff. So again, we're kind of looking for, well, what's the dollar doing? Whoa. Dollar's flying, but gold's still holding itself though, man. This is what I'm saying. The gold's very strong right now. If the dollar plays ball, we should really fly up. If it doesn't, I feel like gold's just going to move up anyway. But preferably, we do want to see the dollar continue down. But again, we do have this daily imbalance just ahead of us now. So if we sweep this higher, come into this imbalance, it could kind of make sense to me. I'll be surprised. We're still over time. We still are bearish, and so we are pushing towards more gold risk off than dollar risk off. Let's play that little tune now. Haunted. We played this the other day. Oh, bro, is it this fucking one? Oh, it so is, bro. You can tell by the intro. Bro, how do people actually listen to this shit?
Switch it up.
Like, bro!
Switch it.
Bro, I'm sorry, man, but mate, you just have to do drugs to listen to this shit. Because, bro, no one sober is banging this out, man. It's not even just any drugs, man. You gotta be on pills for this shit. You gotta be on beans to be listening to this shit. Or like heroin. Not even heroin. In fact, even heroin's like a drug for this type of shit.
Switch it up.
That as well. Like, shut the fuck up.
Switch it. Now.
It just pisses me off how people actually listen to this shit. I haven't full-ported anything today, bro. Man, fuck me. Like, bro, that's just playing from my phone and that's actually rung through my fucking body. Bro, it's nearly actually fucking corpsed me. Mate, it's actually made my ears all fucking weird as well. My nipples have gone rock hard as well, bro. Not even gonna cap. Ugh. Mate, I'm actually freezing cold now, man, after listening to that. Mate, that's how cold that tune is, bro. If you tell me to put that song in again, I'll punch you in your mouth, by the way. I'm sick of it. I've heard that for the second time now, and I'm sick of this shit. Banger. Is it banger, Steve? Is it? I'll bang your head in, mate. Nah, it's a banger, to be fair. Who actually seriously asked me to listen to it yesterday? Because I'm just asking. I need to know who needs to be on the receiving end of a long overhand right. Okay, long as a stretch, because I'm a pretty small dude, but you're gonna get an overhand right. And it was you, I'm pretty sure, Jesse, you cheeky bastard. Gold's running nicely though, boys. Gold's running fucking nicely. It's weird, it's like he almost knows what he's talking about. You know, boys, I'm going to jump off in 5 minutes. I want to see if we actually get a little bit here. Mate, do you want my D&B playlist? Oh, Steve wasn't even joking. No, I don't, Steve. For fuck's sake. Oh, do you reckon anyone's asked that ever and anyone's ever said yes? No, I'm joking. I'm sure there's better man to listen to D&B. But yeah, I'm going to kindly decline Steve. Steve the man. Stevie. I'm going to decline you. No, thank you. No, sirree. Keep that playlist, Rusky. No, I'm joking. That D&B's just not a bit me, man. I mean, I don't really like all that party tunes, man. I'd rather listen to someone talk about smoking crack and beating up a woman. Okay, no, I'll take that back, but... Mate, yo, Mason, you've got to pay for the new set of ears. You've got to bleed. Bro, I'm not even going to lie, man. My ears, bro, they actually run through my body, like proper. I'll put the Country Girls Do AI song on funny. Oh, that shit's funny, man. Look at that Pink Floyd. Steve, I just know you've done bare drugs in your time, mate. I just know you've done so many drugs. Gold's flying, bruv. Be going. Hopefully Dick's Wiles, he comes back down and put some more house tunes. When you played last week. Oh, wait, I want to put his Country Girl. What is this? Country Girl AI song? Bro, mate, fuck me. I was kind of like, I don't know what I was. To be fair, man, I don't know what I was expecting, man. I mean, fucking hell, it's AI. Someone's made an AI song. I don't know what I was expecting, but that was the very last thing I thought I would have heard. I thought this was actually going to be. Let's just play it out. Let's just play it out. Let's just fucking hell. That really first bar? Fucking hell. Didn't even wait. Okay, yeah, that's it, bro. Holy fuck, man. I thought, you know what? We might even have some bars that are calm, but holy shit, man. What the fuck is that? Yeah, let's reload, man. Let's see how far we get. This is fucking disgraceful. Alright, bro. What the fuck, bro? Yo. Who even not? You know what? Who is that? Who was that? Who was that? Who was that? Bro, that got worse and worse type shit. And who said that? Who said that? I knew it was you, CRS, you cheeky bastard. Fuck. Holy shit. Alright, let me give it one more. I'll give it one more chance. Okay, bro, what the fuck, man? Okay, nah, bro, what the fuck? Man, how's that got 300 million views? No, that can't be 300 million. 300k. It's a shame because it low-key goes hard. It's like one of those ones, unfortunate bar, do you know what I mean? Mate, what the hell? My main question is when's the next one? Like, is there actually other bangers as well? Beats by it's foul though. To be fair, you know what it is? You know what the curveball is, bro? It's the way that he started off drinking my beer, bro. He started off calm and I kinda wasn't expecting the. Oh wow, okay. Okay, yes, they've done. Oh my god. Fucking hell, they really didn't try and like hide any of it in their names. Double fisting official lyric video. You're telling me to play the whole song. Fucking hell. Come on, girl, get up there, brother. Shit's all over Taylor Swift. I actually barely wouldn't expect that, bro, boys. I want to jump off now. Looks like Goldie's having an hard time, but Goldie's still running. It came in about just over 1 hour, I think, in prof. Should be seeing a continuation of this weak dollar. Might come back into this daily imbalance, but I mean next week, boys, none of us should really be trading this Christmas. But you, man, I'll still be active next week, nonetheless. I don't know if we're going to stream. I don't know what the fuck we're doing next week, to be honest with you. We might. Fuck it, we might. Pretty well. I just got vape juice in my mouth, man. There's actually nothing worse. Fuck you, bro. No, I can't listen to another tune. We'll play it next week, Jess. Give me a playlist to play. And we'll play them. Are you, man? I'll see you, man, next week.